Hey guys, I'm just going to show you the outdoor connection off-road hauler. What I like about it most is that it comes in a nice compact size and in its bag as well, which a lot of the others don't. How to set it up, grab the base out, which has its own handy pocket for storage. Undo the tabs on the bottom, undo the zip, pull the cover off, another tab over here, and up to the side, so really easy. Got a nice long handle, so easy manoeuvrability. The wheels are nice and wide, so good for on your normal on the road and on the sand for the beach. It's also got lock-in front wheels, which is also a good feature. Let's pop the base in there. So once it's all set up, it's really nice and sturdy. It's made out of durable material. You can put loads in it of up to 80 kilograms. So you take one of these nice full eskies. Yeah. Plus you will have some extra space there. So really good product. Come grab one.